Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. This was question 14 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, on the PSAT that was administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Pause the video. No, seriously, why don't you pause it and try the question yourself, at which point you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See if you have any areas of improvement or if you freaking nailed it. In any case, we're getting in there. It reads, Marta has 7,500 pesos she will convert to US dollars using a currency exchange service. At this time, the currency exchange rate is 1 peso equals 0.075 US dollars. The exchange service will charge Marta a 2% fee on the converted US dollar amount. You know, that's how they get you. How many US dollars will Marta receive from the currency exchange after the 2% fee is applied? Well, let's make sure we don't try to do this whole thing in one big step. First, we can figure out how many dollars worth of pesos does Marta have. Well, we know that 1 peso would be the same as $0.075. So pesos over dollars equals that fraction. And then we could set that equal to 7,500 pesos over X dollars, because this conversion rate will remain the same. Now we can cross multiply. 7,500 times 0.075? I mean, I guess if you want to use a calculator for... No, seriously, do it in your calculator. We live in an exciting time. Turns out that is $562.50. And what's the question asking us? How many US dollars will Marta receive after the 2% fee is applied? Okay. Well, on the one hand, I could say it's definitely not B because the 2% fee exists. And she's not going to get more money because they charged her a fee. So I'm pretty much positive the answer is A. If I were concerned about it, I could check, well, what is 2% of 562.50? And it turns out that it's 1125. And if I subtract that from 562.50, I get the final answer of 551.25. Congrats, Marta. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe, like, fave, review, and swipe right. And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.